Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel where the family where we teach you how to make good amount of money online. And I'm here again with a brand new update. But before I jump to the update, I just want you to do something for me. Please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. And to my old subscribers, I thank you for your support and for always there for me. And please, according to the statistic I'm seeing right now, I found out that most of my viewers are not subscribing. Please, once you watch a video and you find it useful, please just subscribe. Don't just watch and go. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video, please. So, and shout out to my viewers from the United States of America, they're from France, from India. I really appreciate you guys, and I promise I'll keep dropping a nice update for you guys to make money from. Now, without wasting my time, let me just go straight to my Chrome and let me show you this update and how this update works, and let me show you how to sign up for this update. So you have to watch it the present end so that you actually know how to sign up for this particular update. Now let me just go to my Chrome straight up, and in this my Chrome, please look at this. Look at what I'm about to type, because it's very important to look at it. If you don't look at it, you can end up make a big mistake. Now look at what I'm about to type. Star, then you put your dash. Can you see? Then you put your clicks. So this is starklist.com, and in this starklist.com you just do, it is an online advertising network. So it's meant for two set of people, the publishers and the advertisers. And what do we do here? People come here to advertise, and we the publisher will come here to click on the advert and what, and make money. Now as you can see, this is it. Click and publish advert and earn money. Popular payment method, fast, secure and reliable. So as you can see, you publish ads, get paid. Get paid instantly, withdraw your balance, quick and free start. And this for the advertisers. You advertise your website, improve your site, see search engine optimization, then pay online for clicks. Minimum deposit of $5. That's for the advertisers. They be want to deposit just $5 for them to advertise their website. As you can see, you can start immediately. You don't need any skill. Then you turn your time into money, into something good. So as you can see, they have up to 2 million members, and they deliver how many hours? 189 hours. So for those that will use this particular site to advertise. But that's not the problem. What I'm after today is how to use this particular site to earn money. So all you have to do is what, is to click on this start now. Now this is why I say you have to watch this video. You have to look at your screen with this video, because here we are having two accounts. We have the publisher account and we have the advertiser account. And what do you have to do? What you have to do is to click on the publisher, sign up. As you can see, all you have to do is to drop your details, your zip code, your email, confirm your email, then write this figure out, write and confirm and register. It's as simple as what, as ABC. Now before I log into my account, let me actually show you something, because I want you to watch this video present. Once I show you what others, the reviews on this site, what other people say about the site, there will show you how to earn using site. Several ways to earn, how to earn, then how to refer people. All this I'm actually going to show you. So you just have to stay tuned to the end so you actually see all this. If you don't see them, you just like you wasted your time watching it without watching to the end. Now let's go to our trustpilot.com and let's see what people are actually saying. Now let's type star clicks. So clicks.com. Let's see what people are saying about the site. As you can see, this site is a very excellent site. Out of 24,000 reviews, they're having a star of 4.8. I think this alone is okay. They're having 92% excellent. They're 92% excellent. I think this review alone is okay for you to know this site is a genuine site, is a real site. And let's see what some people have to say about the site. This is 5 stars. I love this site. Nice to click on add. Starkly is a great website. It is very easy to handle. Start click auto payment proof. You see, people are making money from this site. So now let me go back to the site again and let me show you how to do your task. As I told you, what you have to do is visiting site. That's all you have to do. You just have to visit site. Now let me go back to starkclicks.com and let me log into my account and let me show you something. Let me sign in. So as you can see, this is 1006. Now let me sign in. So as you can see, this is a brand new account, and in this account I'm having this amount. As you can see, you can pay per clicks ads, so you can actually end doing this pay per clicks. You just have to click on the ads and stay on the site for a few seconds, then go back. You make money from it. Then they have a good payment method. They pay using PayPal. Let me show you the payment method. Let's go to the payout and let me show you the payment method. I can see the payment method. They pay to PayPal, to Bitcoin, to bank transfer to Western Union, and the minimum payout is $50. And now look at the referrals. Just let me sign in again and let me show you the referrals here. Let me show you how you can get referral links and share with your friends and family so that you can also make money doing that. As you can see, this pay per clicks ads. Now let me just quickly click on a particular site and let's see an increment. This is one site. Let's just click on it. Let me show you how to do the task here. Just hold on. We are performing a task here. I will just do only one so that I can show you how to go about it. I will just do only one of them. As you can see, this is the site, and now we are on the site. All you have to do is just to move around the site. After this, to move around the site, you don't need to click anything on this site. Just move around the site. Move around the site for a few seconds, but don't stay at a spot. Just make sure you move around. Just make sure you move around so that it won't be like it is done by a robot. as I'm moving around, they know this human being, not robot, so that they can pay you for doing this. Please don't click on anything here. Now let's just go back. Let's check our overview. As you can see, this thing has increased to 4. So, and in this particular site, you can actually upgrade this grade by grade. Like this is the silver member, and this is what the gold membership. For you to upgrade to this gold membership, you have to deposit $5. Though I've not advised anybody to do that. Doing with this silver member and still earn your money. So I won't advise anybody to pay money to upgrade. And if you can upgrade, you can do that, because once you upgrade, you can actually make much money doing that. And don't forget, I will actually drop a link to this particular site in the description box, so that you can actually click on it without making a single mistake. And if you find this video very useful, please make sure you drop a comment at the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, so that they can see this beautiful opportunity and grab it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, because as I told you in my last statistic, I found out that nearly 70% of people watching this video don't subscribe. You subscribing encourages us to drop more updates, so please do that and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you.